All right, here's a quick example before you do a question that is just like it. So that's on the way. Okay, so we are finding volume. You watched this video yesterday when I showed you how to find the volume of our pet rock and an eraser. That's what it was. But let's talk about how we actually do the math part. Yes, there is math in science, and it's wonderful. Okay, so here we have the beaker, the graduated cylinder, before we put the dinosaur in. So we're trying to find the volume of Mr. T-Rex here. But he's not very easy to measure, so we're going to use our displacement, which means putting it in the water and seeing what changes. So the initial measurement is what it was first, and I even color-coded to help you out. Initial measurement is this first line. So if we look here, here's 4. It's just under 5, but we need to figure out how to get there. So I need to be able to count and make it all the way to 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, that doesn't work. So let's try by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. So these little lines are by 2s. So the initial number is at 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. So 4.8. 4 and 8 tenths. So let's do this color. How about that one? I'm going to attempt to write. So 4.8. That's kind of an 8. Hello. It works. So now if you don't know a lot about decimals, that's okay because your question will not have decimals. And then the final measurement. So now that we've put Mr. T-Rex in here, so here he is down here, that means the water level has gone up. So what is the water level now at? It's at, looks like 5.8. So 2, 4, 6, and actually it's right at the 6. So 2, 4, 6, so 5.6. So the final measurement is 5.6, okay? So after we put Mr. T-Rex in, the water has gone up. Now we need to figure out what the difference was. In order to figure out the actual volume of Mr. T-Rex, I need to know what this much is, okay? So we're going to do some subtraction. And I'm going to make this thinner. So my bigger number goes on top, 5.6, there we go, minus 4.8. This is difficult. I need a stylus. All right, so I cannot do 6 minus 8 because 6 is smaller. So I go next door. I take 10 from him. Now there's a 40 here. And I put the 10 over here. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. I bring down the decimal. And then 4 minus 4 is 0. So the volume of Mr. T-Rex here is 0.8 milliliters. So Mr. T-Rex has a volume of 0.8. So now you're going to do the exact same thing. I want to see that you paid attention to my video yesterday. If you need to go back and watch it, go back and watch it. And then I just gave you an example of how to do the math. Good luck.